I still have the Facebook and the Gmail.
What we're trying to establish is really basic here. It is, do we have the right as the UK to revoke this Article 50 notification so the British people, if we had a referendum, for example, could say, actually, we'd like to change course. And so far, I'm hoping, because the European Council lawyers, the Commission lawyers haven't contested that basic principle, the right to revoke, that I think would be a really important win today.
There is an industrial scale spin operation from the UK government to say that this cannot be turned round, this must be gone through. I don't believe that's the case, and what we're looking for is the clarity from the European Court of Justice, which is the only court able to give us that clarity, that we can turn it round, if we can do that unilaterally on our own, or with the agreement of the other member states. So there's other ways out of this, and I don't believe and I don't accept that we just need to accept whatever the UK government has negotiated, because it's a bad deal for Scotland, it's a bad deal for the UK, and it's a bad deal for the European Union as well.
Do you actually expect the other European countries to deny the wish to stay in?
Well, we'll need to work with the times as they actually operate, but in terms of how the court is dealing with this, we're very pleased that the European Court of Justice has decided to expedite this case. They are dealing with it very fast indeed, because justice tends to go a little slower than we're used to. I think the justices are well aware that this is a very important current political issue, and this isn't over till it's over. I'm going to fight this all the way.
Council say no, it can only be revoked if the other member states agree. The British government refused. If the deal is rejected, the government will probably collapse, and there'll probably have to be a general election. But even if the deal is accepted, that's not the end of the process, because the European Union Withdrawal Act says that there has to be an act of Parliament to implement the withdrawal agreement, and members of Parliament can amend that. So we could still amend to say it can't be implemented till there's a second referendum. So even if the court don't manage to get their judgment out before the 11th, it will still be relevant after the 11th.